The line's fraying, Parrot. Plans are slipping.
We can still make this work, Otter. I see a smarter route ahead.
I'll steady the rig. Keep that route in sight. Got it. Watch out, the shaking lines might throw us off. Sliding hook incoming. Hold steady, Parrot.
I'm holding. Eyes on the clock. Time's against us.
Nearly there. We need one clear move to lock it in. I've got the angle. Here's the spot. Make it count. Locked in. The cargo's settling. Steady as we planned. We did it! Watch, plan, act, calmly together every time. That was close. What was your favorite part of the ride?
Tell us your favorite moment in the comments below.